found a wire snowball. Snowball, how you get up there, Snowball? How in the world do you get up there? Wow, how in the world do you get up there? You hop up there and then jumped on the typewriter and then jumped up there, but how do you get up there with the boss in the way? I don't see how you got up there. Wow, Snowball. Wow, you are quite a cat. Hey! No. Hey, Snowball. Yeah. Hey, what's up, guys? What's up, Power Family? How you guys doing? What's up, everybody else? How you guys doing? This is the Power 99 FM here, and today I'm going to be taking a look at an old piece of ancient tech. Today on this channel, I'm going to be taking a look at a Brother electric typewriter on this channel today. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's video with the Power 99 FM. Oh yeah. Oh, is it done? Yep, it's done. Burritos. Good. Okay, so here it is. This is a Brother electric typewriter. The model number is GX6750 electric typewriter, made by Brother. Brother also makes printers, which I have 3 of, and they're really good printers. So this is a Brother typewriter. This is an ancient piece of technology right here, but it's good technology, and believe it or not, people still use typewriters today. Believe it or not, people still use them. They're very widely used. People still use them today. I mean, I don't, but people still use them today. Believe it or not, they do. People still use them today. It's really, really true. For the research I found, people still use them today. The first typewriter ever made was in 1868 by Christopher. I forget the last name. It was made by Christopher Latham on February 14th, 1819. And the first electric typewriter produced this kind of typewriter. The electric typewriters were made in 1914, but the first successful typewriter model produced was in 1923 by Northeast Electric Company for development. So that was the first successful typewriter produced, 1923 electric typewriter. So I mean, all in all, it is ancient, but not as ancient as it is. This typewriter was made by Brother. This series typewriter was either made in 2008 or 2009 or 2010. I don't know exactly what year this typewriter was made, but it was made somewhere around then. I can't pinpoint the exact origin of when this typewriter was made. I tried looking up, but I get various amounts of information. So I don't know exactly when this typewriter was made, but from the information that I could gather, it was made either in 2008 to about around like 2010, 2011. This type of model was made from the information that I could gather anyways. I found detailed information about this brother typewriter, but I can't find it, the link anymore. I have to dig through the link. I lost the link. I had the very detailed information about what this typewriter, the specs it has, and all that. I found detailed information on it, but I can't find the link, so I don't know the information off the top of my head. It's too bad I can't find the link anymore. From what I could gather, these kinds of typewriters right here are still being used in a variety of police stations and courthouses and in the Southeast Asia and the Western countries. These typewriters are still being used, and these typewriters are also being used when no electricity can be found in other foreign countries. When no electricity or electricity is not as good, these typewriters are still being used, but they're not the electric kind. They're the other standard kind of typewriter without the cord in the back. This has a power plug in the back, which I show you to type on per se. So you can find this typewriter on the website, on the official website for $325. Or you can find a used version of this typewriter on eBay for $80, but it's used and it's all discolored and it's not really that good. Then you can find it on Amazon, but they have it on Amazon for about $150, brand new. I think used is about $100, so it's not too bad from what I could gather, but I wouldn't buy one today for this. I mostly just use the laptop and that's it. So I'm gonna go over the specs of this laptop right now. So when you load the paper obviously goes up here. Okay, so you just push the paper down like this. And then what you do is you hit this little lock right here. It's a little lock. See, when you flip the lock right up here, you can take the paper out. When you flip the lock to lock the paper in like this, you hear a snap. Now the paper's in place. Now you can't. That's good. Okay, so we take this cover off. Wow. Damn, this won't come off. Jesus. Damn. That's not good. So, that's the typewriter cover. It comes with a mini typewriter cover, which is pretty cool. So, the the red button right there means it's on. So the demo, press the backspace key by holding down the Alt key. Backspace key. Oh boy, I can't do this with one hand. But there's the Alt keys right there. I'm gonna have to hit. Oh man, hold on. Let me be right back. That's the demo right there. It's a type, man. Pretty loud. See, that's one of the complaints about this typewriter. This typewriter was really loud. I saw some on the Amazon. I went to the Amazon website and I looked up this rubber printer on the Amazon website, and I went through the reviews, and the last reviews of this printer was made back in 2016. As I was scrolling through the reviews, a lot of the reviews said that this typewriter was pretty loud. That was the only complaint that people had. Yeah, so I mean, that was the only complaint that people had about this laptop, about this typewriter. I said laptop. I was looking at the laptop. Did the demo just fine. So that is strange. You did the demo just fine right there, but when I was typing, it messed up on a lot of the words, the things when I was typing. Maybe I was typing too fast for the typewriter keys to go, because I'm used to typing fast on a laptop keyboard, but you know, all in all, the typewriter seems pretty good. I mean, I'm not going to use it again, but I mean, I hope everyone enjoys that video. So I mean, it was interesting. You got to learn some cool facts, and I got as much information as I could get into this video to be as accurately possible as I could for everyone, from the research that I could find. So I hope everyone enjoys this video, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the Power 99 FM for more. So I hope everyone enjoys that video, and as always guys, this is the Power 99 FM here, saying peace and stay classy, yo, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace, Power family. No more. No more. No more. Hey, let me have this. Snowball? Snowball? Let me have this. No? No. Okay.
Slide late and comment to the Power 99 FM.
Well, it got close. Points for trying, Alessa. Points for trying. Points for trying. At least you said the Power 99 FM good. So that's good.